Hey y'all, Diamond Painting Cajun here. How are y'all doing today? I am here to film another video, a PR package from One Day Saving. First, I want to welcome everybody to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so, as this helps my channel. Everything that I'm going to show y'all today is going to have a link in the description portion of this video. So y'all can go check them out. Go to their website, check them out. This is a budget-friendly company. And yeah, I really like their products. I like I like all diamond paintings, but you know, they're all good products. So thank you, One Day Saving, for sending me these items to review. So I'm gonna get started, and I have three things. We're gonna do this first. Okay, so this is called Cutie Pop. It's some diamond painting stickers. I've never received stickers before, so I ordered them because I never had them before. I had them in a package, like a Happy Meal package, but I've never ordered them. So I decided that I was going to do something and order them, something out of the ordinary. And so this is what the box looks like, and this is what the photo looks like of them. It's Easter stickers. I'm gonna do them and do a completion review on them. But y'all, these are so cute. Look at these stickers. Like, I think I'm gonna stick, I should have ordered more, but I think I'm gonna stick them on my grandbaby's Easter baskets. Cause look how cute. Well, for the little ones, look how cute. Y'all, look at these. The drill field is clear on these. Look at the bunny. Oh my God, look the little chicken with the bonnet. Y'all, tell me this isn't cute. Look how cute, y'all. Holy moly. These things are adorable. I can't wait to work on them. I'm gonna work on them this weekend, because this won't take me long to work on. And I'm gonna do a completion review for y'all. This, it comes with a toolkit, your basic toolkit. Y'all, I just can't get over it. I'm going to check the stickiness. I guess you can check the stickiness on here. Yeah, the sticky is good. I never had these before, so I am excited to do this, y'all. They're so cute. Like, I've never done stickers. So if y'all know anything about stickers, I guess it's pretty straightforward. You just work them like you work any other painting. But they're so cute. I'm going to show y'all the drills. I'm kind of straighten this out because I would like to work on them this weekend. And I want to do a completion video. I'm excited about it. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Look, I got to show y'all again because look how cute. They are so, so, so cute. I love them. Look at that. Oh, so cute. Holy moly. And these are the drills for them. I can take these out because I will be doing this weekend. Let's see. Yeah, I'm so excited for these. They're so cute. So these are the colors. I'm going to go this way. Look at all these pretty colors. Y'all, it's going to be so cute. I can't wait to do them. And I'm going to stick them on my grandkids' Easter basket, the little ones. I got to go shopping for that. Oof. Easter shopping this weekend. They're so, so cute. Oh my God, I can't wait to do them, y'all. Oh, one fell off. I guess I better put it back in the package because I'm going to lose it, you know. Oh, they're so cute. I can't get over how cute they are. Okay, well, maybe not. I need that. Okay, on to the next one. And this one, see, that was a 9-piece diamond painting full round drill stickers, and it's $3.83 on their site. And that's on One Day Saving. I'm going to link everything, though, in the description box below. So this one is a 30 by 40 centimeter diamond painting. It is a full round drill, and it was, I don't even know. Oh, $5.46. It was $5.46 on their website. And it's a Hello Spring Gnome. Look how cute. Y'all, I like the colors. Y'all know I had to. It's so cute. It reminds me of spring. Look at all those pinks and the blues and the light yellows or beige, whatever. I think it's light yellow. I would call it light yellow. It says Hello Spring. Has flowers up here. The little gnome with the flowers. Butterfly. They have a legend on the top left. And they have a legend on the bottom right. And it does have the DMC codes. And I'm going to show y'all. This is the thumbnail. The drill field is clear on them. Look, the gnome's little white beard. We're going to check the stick. Stickiness is good. Let me see. It's not too confetti heavy. I'll say it's a pretty good mixture of confetti and color blocking, because all the background is color blocking. Well, most of the background. And the confetti portions is going to be mostly where the flowers are, as far as I can tell. I'm going to show y'all in a second. Try to straighten it out a little bit. So the confetti portions are going to be like mostly down here. And then where here, you know, portions of this. These are a little bit of confetti, but then you have color blocking here, 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 and then a lot right here on this background portion. So it's not too bad. It's really not. I'd call it a mixture. It still won't take long to work up. And these are the drills for it. You do get a basic toolkit. And these are the drills. So they have pretty Easter drill colors. Light purples, pink, light pinks, purples, dark purples, yellows, greens. So these are the drills for them. And like I said, they are round drills. I never have problems with these drills. I mean, you get the norm, you know, but yeah, so those are the colors for that. So again, I'm going to show y'all. Look how cute. It's so cute. I love it. You know, it's going to be hard for me to pick which one I want to do right all the time. Struggle is real. So we are going to do one more. I have one more. And that one was $5.46 on their website. Oh, Lordy, y'all. Y'all know I can't help this. Y'all just know it. I just see some cute little things and I just grab them because they're cute. The canvas is pretty soft on these too. I mean, they're normal. They're not extra stiff like most. This is also some spring gnomes. Look how cute. The gnomes with the butterflies. And it says welcome. And this is a 30 by 40 centimeter as well. And it is a round full drill. And this is the right here. It's the thumbnail. The drill field is clear. They have a lot of color blocking in this one. Not much confetti. This one probably won't take long to work up as well. But look how cute. Pretty flowers. It has welcome. I think for this though, I'm going to figure out some kind of ABs to put right here. I don't have the black ones, I don't think. And the ones with Diamond Nana and them sent me. I'm going to have to look. Because that would be cute. But I do have rhinestones I could fit there. I have real glass rhinestones because I make those cups. I'm going to show y'all in a minute. Yeah. So, let's check the stick. Stick is good. Very good. So, yeah, y'all. I've been up to... Yesterday, I did not work on diamond painting. I worked on the cup. Because I was trying to get myself better from a migraine headache. I didn't want to get another one. So, I kind of took a break for a couple of days on diamond painting. But... I said I was going to do some last night. I didn't. My neck started hurting. So I decided not to. I didn't want to get another migraine. So here it is again. And I'm going to show y'all the drills in a minute. It's clear drill field, like I said. These are so cute though. Look at that. Look at the nose. Look at the little pink in the hats. The little pom-pom. This is just too cute. I really love it. Yeah, so like I said, I'm going to try to do something with this welcome. It does come with a basic toolkit. And, oh, these drills are in Ziploc baggies. These are in Ziploc baggies, so I like them because you can see all the colors good. So there's whites, pinks, purples. Well, light pinks. Greens, blues. We do have pink here. Those are the colors in this palette. So cute, y'all. It's so cute. Look at that. That's an array of colors, y'all. Look how cute. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. So, like I said, this is a round drill. And, shouldn't be hard to work up because it doesn't have a lot of confetti. A lot of color blocking. A little bit of confetti down here, but that's it. Doesn't have a whole bunch. So yeah, let me bring the others back and I'll show y'all the others again. So this is another spring gnome. I just liked the colors, that's why I got it, y'all know. And the gnomes are so cute. Just so cute. And all of these are 30 by 40 centimeter. And this, I can't wait to work on these stickers. I'm going to work on these stickers this weekend and do a completion video. It shouldn't be that difficult. I can't wait, y'all. They're so cute. I really love them. I just couldn't help it. They're so cute. So that's going to do it for this video. I want to thank all you guys for watching. I really appreciate all of y'all. And until the next video, bye.